Okay, what we'll be doing is that we're going to be solving these equations using one step. So I'm going to write this again, x plus 6 equals 13. Now, this right over here, this is the left side of the problem, and all of this is the right side of the problem. Now, because the x is on the left side, we're going to call this a left side problem. So because it's on the left side, that lets you know what number needs to be eliminated. The 6 on the left side, being a left side problem, needs to be eliminated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a subtracting 6 under the adding 6. Now, whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, over here on the left, you have to do the same thing on the right side. So now let's put everything together. Now we have negative 6 there and negative 6 there. The x will come down, and you get x here. The positive 6 and negative 6 cancel each other out, actually become 0. We don't need to put 0 unless there's nothing else. Because there's an x here, we don't need to put a 0. But if there was no x here, yeah, you got to put the 0. But right now, the x saves us writing. We don't have to put the 0. Now, we have a positive and a negative. When you combine positive and negative, the rule is same signs add, different signs subtract. So I'm going to subtract these, and I'm going to get 7. And remember, bigger sign always wins. So since that's a positive, 13 is positive, the answer is positive. And now we know that x is 7. Let's move here. Okay, we have w minus 4 equals 13. Now, this is the left side here, and the 13 is the right side. Okay, I want to work with the left side because that's where the variable, or the w, is here. So the negative 4 is on the left side, and so that's what we want to get rid of. Well, this is a subtracting 4, so we're going to put an adding 4 here. And the rule is, whatever you do on one side, if we do an adding 4 on the left side, we need to do an adding 4 on the right side. As a result, the w will come down. This turns into a 0. We don't have to write the 0. The equals comes down. And these are same signs. This is positive and positive, and the rule is same signs add. So we're going to get 17. The bigger sign wins, which is the 13, which is positive. So it'll be positive 17. Next. Now we have negative 3 plus x equals 11. Now, this is the left side, and this is your right side. The x appears on the left side, so this is a left side problem. So we'll be working with numbers on the left. So we're going to work to get rid of this negative 3 that's on the left side. The way that we get rid of a negative 3 or subtracting 3 is by using an adding 3 right underneath it. Now, the rule is whatever you do on one side, the left side, we'll also do on the right side. So on the right side, we'll put a adding 3 over there too. So these two become 0, and the x comes down, the equals comes down, same signs will add, so we'll get 14, and the bigger sign wins, so positive 11 means we have a positive 14. Now, number 4 here, we have x plus 13 equals negative 4. Now, from here, this is our left side over here, and over here, the negative 4 is our right side. This is going to be a left side problem, so with the left side, we're going to eliminate the number on the left side, which is a positive 13. So let's use a negative 13 or subtracting 13 on the left side. Now, whatever you do on the left side, we're also going to write it again on the right side. Whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. So here on the left, the x does come down. The positive 13, negative 13 turns into a 0. We're not going to write that. The equals comes down. And these are same signs, negative and negative. Same signs do add, so we get 17. And the bigger sign always wins, so 13 sign, which is negative, wins. So we'll put a negative on the 17.